Motion sickness is something which we have experienced at one time or the other in our life. It is caused by sensitivity to motion by sea, rail, road or air. There is headache, nausea, vomiting, fatigue. It is caused by a disturbance in the balancing mechanism of the inner ear. Do not drive a vehicle on your own if you suffer from motion sickness. Take a dose of Occurence 200 before embarking on your journey. Repeat as often as required. It is of great help. It will give you long time relief. Another interesting problem is that of noises. It is also called tinnitus. It is defined as a sound in one or both the ears, such as buzzing, ringing, or whistling, occurring without an external stimulus. It is usually caused by a specific condition, such as an ear infection and the use of certain drugs, a blocked auditory tube or canal, or a concussion on the head. Age is a factor. It may be an indication also of an imminent attack of epilepsy or of fainting. So be very concerned and careful. If the underlying cause is treated, improvement can occur. Seek guidance from your doctor, but homeopathic medicine will help you. If you hear sounds when chewing, swallowing, take Beraita Mure 200, and for buzzing and singing noises with diminished hearing, take Carbo Sulf 30. If you hear the echo of your own voice, Causticum 200 is the remedy. And if tinnitus is caused by catarrh, by inflammation of the middle ear, and in chronic cases, take Kali Mure 30. Humming and rolling sounds are heard. Although a person is hard of hearing, give him Lycopodium 200. If there is pus in the ears in chronic cases, give Silesia 200. And sounds preceding menses require Veratrum Alb 200. When there is pus in the ear, foul smelling in the auditory canal, at times even bloody, shooting pain, Haper Sulf 200 is the medicine. There might have been a rupture in the eardrum. If the pus coming out of the ear is fetid, stinking, corrosive, green, thick, heavy flow, Merc Sol 200 will assist. In cases of severe and incorrigible suppuration of the middle ear, Myristica 200 comes handy. And in case of thick, green, bland and offensive pus flowing out easily, mark the symptom, flowing out easily with diminished hearing, Pulsatilla 200 is of great help. In chronic cases of pus formation, Silesia 200 should be used. For swelling in the ear with severe pain, glands around ears are swollen, give Beraita Carb 200. And if glands have been hardened and inflamed, Merc Sol 200 would be of help. Thank you for visiting this video.